Today we are reviewing supply and demand charts and their curves. There are two curves, supply and demand. So a supply curve looks like this, and a demand curve looks like this. It's best to remember that demand goes downward and supply goes the opposite way, so upwards or towards the sky. So for supply and demand, there are two laws, and the law for demand is when price goes up, quantity goes down, and inversely, when price goes down, quantity will in turn go up. Now for the law of supply, when price goes up, so does quantity. So when price goes, so price and quantity, and when price goes down, so does quantity. These laws for supply occur because when price goes down, less producers can produce at this lower price. But whoever can produce at this lower price is the most efficient producer. So, when graphing supply and demand, when both of these curves are on the same chart, like this is your supply, this is your demand. Supply goes up, demand goes down. So when these two meet here, this is called the equilibrium. And what this means is that the demand meets the supply and both are equal. So at equilibrium, you will have a demand that meets the supply equally. So for example, if I have a demand of 10 puppies, at equilibrium, the supply will be exactly 10 puppies. Below the equilibrium, however, you have a shortage. So you come across here and your supply is going to be, say, 5. But as you go further along this graph, you're going to see that your demand in terms of quantities down here, so say quantity 1, quantity 2, quantity 3, and then price 1, price 2, price 3, you're going to see that your supply is a lot less than the quantity that you need. So that causes a shortage. At the top part of the chart, however, the same thing can be said about a surplus. So you're going to come across here, you're going to have people willing and able to buy whatever good it would be. So you're going to have price 3 over here. And as you come across, you're going to have way more supply than you have people that are willing and able to buy. And then this causes a surplus.